Hello everyone, this is Crazy Cow MM here from KO7 Entertainment. I'm sorry, all these are my Christmas skin. I don't got that no more. Alright, anyway, we are doing another... I forgot this one. Go away. We're doing another tutorial, but this time we're doing a tutorial series. So basically what this means is I'm just going to be posting, like, a bunch of tutorials that are, like, on the same general topic. I just did something on Minecraft, and I'm, like, surprised it hasn't crashed yet. So, don't, like, be surprised if I'm, like, in that for some reason, because I shouldn't be. So, anyway, this is a tutorial on, we don't want that, but, we kind of want it over here. There we go. Okay, this is a tutorial on, ignore all this, tutorial on, how to make an application for Mac in Xcode. So, first you gotta go to that app store, which hasn't updated apparently. I'm not really gonna download it currently, and it should, yeah. So, Apple, and here it is. Oh, that's the update. That's what the update's for. So, Xcode is a developer tool. You can just search this too. It works as well. I'm going to update it just because. And it's version 6.3.2 for OSX Yosmite. I'm doing this because I have not found a tutorial on Xcode for Mac in OSX Yosemite in the new version, in version 6.3. Whatever. But it's pretty much the same through all the whatchamacallits, through all the versions. They don't change much, but they change something. Oh my gosh, of course I have 3 updates as soon as I click on this. But yeah, I have to keep up with this stuff. Oh well. Yeah, please just update that. I've clicked on that already. Sure, you can update that too. Okay. Actually, I'll keep it open. So anyway, while that's waiting, apparently, for what? I don't know. Okay. We're just going to launch the old version, because apparently we still can. I don't know. But it takes forever to launch. Don't even ask. So, you should start out with something like this, and you shouldn't have any of this here. So we're going to press create a new Xcode project. Playgrounds, I found, I don't really like. So, yeah, we're going to click on this, create new Xcode project, open up, and we're going to get this. Since we're making an OSS application, yeah, I think you're going to start in this, probably, I think. But what we want to do is we want to go under OSX and Application, and we're going to go to Cocoa Application. If you want to build a game, go in there. If you want to build a command line tool, go in there. But this tutorial is going to be on building a Cocoa application. Press Next. It says product name. We're just going to call this YouTube tutorial. No, that's nice. Tutorial. Program. Don't comment on my spelling, and that's just where it's gonna save it. You might start in Swift, but we're gonna code in Objective-C, so if you have an older version, it makes sense. I already use storyboards. Actually, you're actually gonna use a. No, we're not. And we're gonna use storyboards. Yeah, that's it. Next. No, it's great. I was like, why are you not doing anything? And so it's gonna ask you where you want to save it. I'm just gonna save it on my desktop. Makes it easier, I think, because I can just like see it over there. Right, it's creating stuff. So you're gonna start in this. You don't really need to go into that. So. You're like, hey, what are all the... Oh, this is actually a nice window. Hey, designed. The rest of these are all code. So, first what we're going to do is we're actually going to design a window. There's this window here, actually. Good idea is to do this, because you really won't need much of this up here. It's not for much. So, you got this menu, got this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. Nothing in, oh, there we go. I was like, this has nothing in it, apparently, and I don't know why, whatever. Alright, so, but we're going to be in this little record button, or whatever, object library. That's what it is. And we're going to scroll down until we find the buttons. It's an overwhelming amount of buttons, just grab push button. So that's button, and just drag another one, and put it like, until there's like thousands of lines. Okay. You can rename this one by double-clicking, button 1, and double-click on this again, on this one, and do button 2. A bit off-center, just drag this one there. And then we're also going to put some, a label here. We're going to make it bigger, Minecraft music. Bigger. And we're going to say, press a button. Yeah. Yeah. Now we're going to use this window here to, I think it's in here. Yeah, center that. And then, where's the font size? Here we go. Actually, well, that's not very helpful. That's not very helpful. Alright, we're just going to do regular. So, press a button, button 1, button 2. And then, if you compile it, which I'm going to do, just show you. Whoa! Takes a while. Just saying. The first time takes longer, of course, but because it's got to create all these files. Come on. You can do it. So it's full screen it. There we go. Come on. Alright, anyway, well, that's doing that. Oh, actually, it's about... There we go. It's done. Alright, so it should eventually open. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Thank you. Up thing, no icon, YouTube tutorial program. It's called what you named it. So it says press a button. It's called window. No more Google Plus, please. Go. Alright. And button 1, button 2. You click on it. It doesn't do anything. Because that's why it's obviously it's not going to do anything. Oh, by the way, I might play that at some point. Super jokes. Alright, anyway. So you close that. Because it's useless currently. Actually, and press that button. That'll stop it. Then we're gonna, to make it so these buttons actually do things. Actually, first, this tutorial is just gonna be general stuff. So you've created the window. Nice, wonderful. Now I'm gonna say what all this stuff is. So, view controller M is, 1 second. Oh, itchy. View controller M is what we will use. It's what we'll type all the code in to do for when we make these buttons do things, and that text or the background or something appear when we do stuff. Yeah, when we do stuff. Yeah, so we're gonna type it in here. But in order to get it in here, we have to get into view controller H, which is the header file. So basically, there's always for everything, every folder in here, there's a header file and a main file. I'm not actually sure if that means a main or not. I just assumed that. And see how the main file is importing the header file, which means that it gets all the data from the header file as well as the data in itself. Now we're going to go to view controller H and see, whatever, nothing in here, because there's not going to be anything in here for a while. Well, until we start actually doing stuff. Then we're going to go into app delegate. I'm not completely sure what app delegate is. We'll terminate, insert code here to tear down your application, insert your code here to initialize the application. So it's basically like running and stuff. And then it's imported from app delegate H. We're going to go to app delegate H. Now it looks exactly the same, except it says NS object app NS application application delegate. Now I'm just going to tour all the buttons here. Actually, no, I made a story about here just because it's the nicest looking window. This is file template library, so Cocoa Touch Glass, Playgrounds with File, Object, yeah, whatever. Meta file, metal file. View, something, oh, it finished updating, I think. On screen, oh no, it didn't, it just bounced. Right then. On screen, data model, stuff, bunch of stuff. These are the code snippets. So C type C++. The Objective C here. Objective C CVO values affecting keys, keypads, fast generation, implementation, extensions. You know. Object library, we already talked about. There's a lot of stuff in here. Make this bigger just so it's easier for you to see. A lot of stuff. And it gets very overwhelming. Then we have the something library. I can't remember what it's called. Media library. So this is just a bunch of images, basically. Trash. Full trash can, empty trash can, whatever. Doesn't really matter. You X buttons without the full thing on them. Fill thing. Bluetooth. Icon thing. Not sure. Okay, so those are all the buttons here. This button does this. Add new alignment constraints. This is constraints. This is like something constraints, something, or views, whatever. Same thing. Yeah, views. Okay. Then this is the file inspector. I knew what that was called, so totally did. And basically just tells a bunch of stuff about the file, which is pretty useless, I think. Quick help. You have to select something to have quick help. Oh gosh. This is the identity inspector, attributes inspector, size inspector, connections inspector, bindings inspector, and view effects inspector. So if I select this and view effects, press a button. Press a button. And other stuff, appearance, blur radius, I don't know. Alright, awkward voice crack. If you click this, I'm not sure what that does, because that doesn't do anything. Okay, if we click this, this will pop up with the view controller M, which is not what we want it to pop up with when we actually will use it, but we will be using this button a lot. Okay, standard editor, assistant editor, and version editor. Let's click this again. And if you use to a version editor, yeah, I don't know what that does. Actually, I've never used it before. Blame. I blame it on you, dog. Yeah. Back to the. Whoa. Oh my. Just go here. Yeah, just go to me. Just main story, but just no. No. What have I done? What have I done? Shut. Oh, lag. Okay, good. We're back. Gosh. This button does that. It opens this menu. This button closes the menu. Got these things. Sidebar, 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 sidebar. You can close them all. I just look at this. Have them all open. Be the squash view. Be the open view. I'll probably be using this a lot when we're using the view control M, because we'll be typing a lot into this, and we'll just be spending a lot of time here, and it makes it much easier for me to just, yeah, do that. I don't know. Okay, this Minecraft music is annoying me. Whoa. Okay, what's the issue? What's the issue? Pause thing. Pause thing. Equals it. Okay, fine, then fix it. I don't care. Not my problem. Expected identifier, or finally just give this ++ equals. Oh, that was me doing that, wasn't it? Right. Okay. Yeah, this is the file viewer, object navigator. This shows class navigator, I think, or tree or something. What is it? Symbol navigator, find navigator, warning issue navigator, test navigator, debug navigator, breakpoint navigator, and report navigator. And you see is one, nothing in that, nothing in this, and yeah. This Minecraft music is annoying me. Minecraft music, why? Please, thank you. Alright, that's what all those buttons. Oh, I didn't think I went over this one. That's it. Report navigator. Whatever. Okay, this button has like all the recent files, stuff you did, you know, whatever. It's like a normal, it's like an average button. Average button, yeah, whatever. And yeah, that's really all the buttons I can think of. So I think we're done with our general tutorial of what exactly is Xcode. Remember, this is a tutorial series. I want to post a bunch of videos today, I think, because I really just want to get it done. And yeah, peace out. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, we're going to be coding in Objective-C, so you don't have to know anything about that. Don't search it up. I mean, you can if you want. Whatever. And yeah, peace out. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, goodbye.